Is Zaid gonna come on, or he'll send me whatever he needs, and then me and him will continue to stay
Yeah,
in
yeah,
contact.
he would be send everything, no problem. He would be on task with you.
Okay.
This is Farabi and Mr. Jahed and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. So recently, our team member Mr. Jahid has audited your YouTube
Right.
channel and found some growth related issues. And he already sent you an screenshot mentioning the problem, what problem he found. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So at first we will optimize your video metadata and we will research your competitor and we will manage your channel and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do and we will promote your videos. We have mainly packages like we will work for 30 days and we will optimize your 30 video and we will promote also and it costs 300 USD. So if you are interested then we'll go ahead.
It's 30 videos and 300 USD.
Yeah.
I wanted to do something as well with the channel. I was thinking of rebranding, changing the name from because most of my viewers I've noticed is senior. It's more senior persons, more the viewers are more up from 50 plus. That's where most of my viewers come from. I've noticed some of the other channels in my niche, even some new ones that would have come in after me. They've been using the name senior in the title or the channel name. So I wanted to rebrand my name to Senior Health Daily, or what I would have searched and I would have gotten that name that no one is using that name so far. So I was wondering if I rebranded my name to that, it might have helped with SEO as well. Because I realize a lot of people would search for senior stuff, senior health, senior health wellness, things to help seniors. So that was something I wanted to do as well. Rebrand the channel, change the banner as well, change the logo and change the name of the channel. So to a different name that is more SEO friendly for the videos and the competitors. So I don't know what you think about that as an idea.
Okay, no problem.
Or what
No
was
problem. We will also
mhm.
help you to rebranding your channel name, and if you want, we also can help you with your channel banner and channel optimizations. Also, no problem.
That would be at an additional cost though, right?
No, no,
I
no.
started working on those. Oh, okay.
Not additional cost. It would we will do it free of cost, no problem. So if you take our package, like if you hire us for 30 days, then we'll optimize your 30 video and promote your videos. And if you want to rebranding your channel name, then we also help you. And you need, if you need a professional banner for your channel, we also can create it, no problem. So it costs 300 USD. So our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay upfront 50% and rest of the amount after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. And our work starting system is when you hire us, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you can just send your 30 video links to us. Then we'll optimize and then make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos. So when we can start the work?
Yeah, I'm thinking of does it matter whether you have access or not? The effect will usually be the same, right? Whether I give you
Yeah,
the video links
effect
or I
will
give
be
you access
same.
to the channel,
Yeah,
the effect will be the same,
there's
right?
there's there's little bit difference. Like when you give access, then we can do each of the things from our side. You do not do anything. But if you do not
Right,
give access, then we will implement everything. Then we will hand over to you. Then you have to put on your channel. That is the difference.
right. Okay.
Okay. So our
Um,
team member, Mr. Jahid, would be your contact person, and he would be on task with you.
mhm,
So after
mhm.
finishing the meeting, he will send his payment details and each of the things, and then you just send you 30 video links. Then we'll start working for you. And we believe in long-term relationship because this is our profession. If we can make you satisfied, then you will rehire us. We believe that, and we will try our best to provide you the better service and increase your channel growth. Definitely our client satisfaction is our first priority. Okay.
Right, right, right.
Okay.
Okay.
So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long
Okay.
time. And after
Okay.
after finishing the meeting, our team member Shahid will knock you.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Bye bye.
The 30 videos, I just want to ask a couple questions. So if
Yeah.
we do 30 videos should at least be enough to at least see some traction from the algorithm from YouTube. At least we do 1 month, 30 videos, and we should see the expectations. I'm just checking on, what kind of feedback based on your experience and time doing that. Within that 30 videos, within what time frame should we expect to at least see some traction? We should see some growth at least. I'm expecting, right? With that first
You
30.
can upload at least 8 minute per video, and you no need to create a 30 video within 1 month. We can do your already existing videos or upcoming videos.
Because I have some upcoming videos. I'm changing up something on the channel too. So I'm trying to make it focus on a specific type of videos, although it's in the same niche. It's a health niche and it's for the seniors. But I've came up with an idea of doing some vegetables or foods that resemble organs in the body. So I'm trying to make it like a series. So each video, each episode would follow a different vegetable or fruit that represents the organ in the body that they might heal. So I'm working on those things there now. And I haven't gotten the videos edited yet, but we're working on the voiceover. We have done the scripting, the title, the thumbnails, and most of those things. And what we're trying to do now is to at least get the videos edited. So I think that would even help the channel too. So it's more focused on a specific type of content. Because some of the content on the channel I've noticed when I've looked at it too, they're kind of all over the place. Although they're for health purposes or health reasons, they're a little broad. So I'm trying to kind of narrow it down a little bit more to make it a little more focused on specific things or specific type of healing. So it's focusing on the fruits or vegetables that resembles the organs, that kind of content now. So and I want to also rebrand it to the Senior Health Daily. That's the name I'm looking at right now. And change the banner, everything, just to make it a little bit more focused.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. No problem.
So
So
yeah.
we will work according to your demand and according to your niche. No problem.
hmm Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. So we'll keep in touch in short on that because I really want to do something with a child because I've been doing it for a little while, but I think by now we should start seeing some serious growth in short.
Yeah,
So
we also.
Zahid been reaching out to me in short. Yeah, go ahead, say. hmm
Yeah, yeah. It'd be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel and if we can work with you for a long time.
Yeah, once I start seeing some growth in short, then I would definitely consider keeping you
Okay,
guys on to
okay,
help
okay,
the channel to
okay.
get. So
So
we'll
thanks
start
for
off
your
with
time.
the
Yeah.
yes, no problem.
Okay,
All right.
okay. Bye bye.
Is Zahid gonna come on or he'll send me whatever he needs and then me and him will continue to stay
Yeah,
in
yeah.
contact?
He would be send everything. No problem. He would be on task with you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
All right. Okay. All right.